This is day 4 of why saving money alone will not make you rich. So let's start. Most people think saving money will make them rich. But here's the truth. It won't. If you save $100 today, inflation slowly destroys its value every single year. Meanwhile, rich people don't just save money. They make their money work for them. They invest. They build businesses. They buy assets that grow over time. Saving money is important for security, but wealth is built through growth. Think about it. If your money stays in one place, your life stays in one place too. The goal is not just to earn money. The goal is to multiply it. Because the biggest difference between poor and rich people is not income. It's how they use their money.